Hi guys. If you own a shoe business, precisely a men's shoe business, and you are looking for a way to find your customers or your target audience, this is one way you could actually do it. So what I would do is, again, guys, just to remind you, your ads has to be relevant to your target audience. That is the only way you make money, right? Your ads, okay, your ad, either image, collections, videos, it has to be relevant to your target audience. You have to be speaking to them. Okay, so in this strategy I'm going to show you today, or in this video, I'm going to use this ad text. So let's go to Ads Manager. Let me show you. So what I've done is, so I've put in my locations, right? It's a men's shoe. So I've selected men as the gender. I've put in a nice age, right? But depending on the shoe you're selling, guys, depending on the shoe you're selling, there are some shoe that might be desirable to an older audience. So you might want to start your age, um, your age range from age 35, for example, right? But in this case, I'm leaving it open, so 25 to 55. Let me see. Yeah, 25 to 55. Okay, so I've chosen men as the gender, and one of the first things I've done is ASAP. I've chosen an interest that is, um, I've chosen an interest, okay, that matches exactly the product I'm trying to sell. I'm trying to sell shoes. That's the first thing I've done. Now, the next thing you do is narrow it down to the exact target audience that are interested in shoes that you are trying to sell to. Remember, this is just one ad set. So in this ad set, my targeting criteria is I want to show my shoes to people that have birthdays in March. So I want to show my shoes. I want my shoe ads to show to people, to men that have birthdays in March, as you can see. So people who have birthdays in March, a birthday in March, right? And I've restricted it, so it's men, it's 28, 25 to 55. I've chosen the location I want to sell to. So if you do nationwide delivery, you could put the whole country. I would not do that. I don't like to be too broad. I like to be very specific. As you can see, audience size is about 19.6K. Um, to me, that I like this. I don't like it to be too broad. I like it to be very well defined. So, anyways, I've chosen men as gender, to age 25 to 55. Um, Shoes. So people having their birthday in March and are also interested in shoes. I want my shoe ads to show to them. And what am I trying to pitch to them? Okay, when I've done this targeting criteria, which guys, you could do this, you could also target their friends. So friends of people that have birthdays in March. And you might be able to, if you use your ad text properly, you might be able to convince them or persuade them to consider buying your shoe as a birthday gift for the person having their birthday. All right. When so this is my targeting criteria. This is the ad text I'm kind of going to go with. If I'm running an ad. All right. So this would be an amazing birthday gift. Okay. Treat yourself to this amazing, well-crafted shoe that fits to size and is very comfortable. Okay. So first thing I've done is I've highlighted the fact that this is going to be an amazing birthday gift without telling them that I know that it's going to be their birthday soon. You don't want to do that. You cannot call people out on Facebook. You're going to break Facebook's or Instagram's advertising policies. Don't do that. So you need to know exactly how to craft your message. In this case, I've gone, this would be an amazing birthday gift. I'm not saying this would be an amazing March birthday gift or April birthday gift. No, I said this would be an amazing birthday gift. All right. So people that have birthdays in February, March, April, this is going to relate to them because they're going to look at this is going to remind them that, hey, you're having your birthday soon and it's coming up is in March. Then the next thing I followed up with, treat yourself to this amazing well crafted shoe. Keyword, treat yourself. Now I'm telling them, hey, this might be an opportunity for you to spoil yourself. If you love this shoe, the shoe that you're seeing, you know, in front of you on your screens, the shoe ads that you're seeing in front of you. If you love it, if you like the design of it, if you feel like this is going to be something you would rock, okay, treat yourself. Yeah, your birthday is coming. You could treat yourself now. You could wait till March, but treat yourself. Buy this shoe. There's a then I stated the benefits, okay, and the features of it. So the benefits of having the shoe. So what I did was said, treat yourself to this amazing, well-crafted shoe that fits to size. It fits to size and is very comfortable. Okay. Now let me show you. If you are targeting, so instead of doing birthday in March, for example, if you are targeting people based on like a demo, maybe based on work, right? If you're targeting people based on work or an industry or job titles, that you might want to, depending on for example, if I'm targeting people that work in construction, right? Construction and extraction, I know that these guys are standing all day, working extremely hard. So they might want something comfortable. If I want to sell boots to them, to construction workers, I want to sell it. I want to sell something comfortable. So my messaging to them is, this is very comfortable, and this is something you can work with all day, right? Then I'll sell more. I'll say, hey, no pain, no after pain. You could stand on it for hours. And I'm going to sell the shoe to them. My messaging is relevant to the target audience because I'm targeting workers in the construction industry that are interested in shoes. All right. Um, so these are the ways you can actually tailor your ads to be relevant to the target audience that you are going for. All right, that is going to be the end of my video, guys. I just wanted to show you how, if you have a men's shoe business, how you can approach it. Right? Think about it. The first layer is the type of product you're selling. So in this case, a shoe. Then the next layer are the conditions. Okay, the conditions in which you are, the conditions or the tiny pockets of people. Because we live in something called life, bro. Bro, this is life we live in. People are having birthdays, people are having funerals, people are going to occasions, people are working in industry, in offices, people are working in construction industries, people are working in warehouses. So everybody has a need. Everybody has something going on in their life. You want to tailor your ads, okay? You want to tailor your targeting criteria and your messaging, okay, to match what a specific target audience and what they might be going through. You want to highlight their pain points, or you want to showcase that, you want to highlight the value that you are providing to their specific life. That is exactly what you want to do. This is how you make money, guys. This because it's not just numbers. They're human beings with emotions and whatever they're going through in life. So you want to make sure that your marketing is very relevant to whoever is seeing your ad. If not, you are just wasting money. Okay, that is going to be the end of the video, guys. Like the video, subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. Feel free to express yourself in our comment section. And guys, go to the description. Go to to the description of this video. Look at the services that we offer, guys. If you want to join our support group for tutorials and advanced guides, let us know, guys. It is paid. If you want us to optimize your ads, let us know. If you are a Nigerian business owner, you want us to help you manage and run your ads and find your customers. We can find your customers. If you want us to actually find your customers and reach your customers and generate sales for you, generate purchases for you, for your business, let us know. We can actually do that for you because we offer ads management services. All right, guys. See you next time.